All right, so this is the new adapter system, our Snap-2 adapter system for the DV1S. This is Devilbiss's new minigun. This adapter system does fit our new SunPro spray gun light attachment, just like so, allowing you to move the light from spray gun to spray gun, take it off for cleaning, all that kind of stuff. So go ahead and remove your air cap, and then the adapter is going to come with a small screw, just like so. Go ahead and loosen that screw up. We recommend doing this by hand. The adapter itself will come with an extra screw in case that one wants to run away on you. All you got to do, this one's real simple, is just slide the threads on your nozzle through, kind of hold it in place with your thumb up against the side of the spray gun. Tighten your air cap down, get your horns where you want them, and then put a little bit of pressure of this adapter up against the backside of that air cap. And snug it up till it's not wanting to rotate on you. Kind of get it where you want it, rotational wise. You'll have a nice little ledge here on the back side of it that puts pressure up against the spray gun and keeps this thing good and stable. And then your light will attach just like that, slides on and off. So then you can take your air cap off and clean this up, clean this all off just like you do your spray gun, and then get back to spraying.